ब्रीफिंग की गई है। कानून में बदलाव से लोगों को लाभ होगा, ये कहा गया है उनकी तरफ से। आपको बता दें, रोहित कंसल की तरफ से यह बयान दिया गया है, जहां उन्होंने कहा है कि भूमि कानून में बदलाव पर प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी की तरफ से पहली बात तो ब्रीफिंग की गई है और कानून बदलाव से लोगों को लाभ होगा। भूमि कानून पर कुछ लोग सियासत कर रहे हैं, ये बयान उनकी तरफ से दिया गया है। उन्होंने कहा कि महबूबा मुफ्ती उमर अब्दुल्ला ने कानून को लेकर फैलाया झूठ है और इस तरह की उनकी तरफ से बयान दिए गए हैं। उन्होंने कहा कि कानून में जो बदलाव किए गए हैं उससे लोगों को काफी ज्यादा फायदा होगा। आपको बता दें इस वक्त की अहम जानकारी, जहां भूमि कानून को लेकर के प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी की तरफ से प्रेस ब्रीफिंग की गई है। भूमि कानून पर कुछ लोग सियासत कर रहे हैं, कुछ लोग झूठ फैला रहे हैं, इस तरह का बयान उनकी तरफ से दिया गया है। उन्होंने कहा कि भूमि कानून में जो बदलाव किए गए हैं उससे लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा फायदा होगा।
4 major laws have been modified. This modification, repeal and changes has led to a variety of reactions across the spectrum. And many of these reactions have been uncharitable. For example, some political parties have said J&K is now on sale. Some others have said or commented that there is no protection in J&K with regard to land on similar lines as it has been given to people in other states. We think there is a lot of misapprehension, misinformation, and lack of clarity on all these issues. So the three of us thought we will share with you some of the salient features of these acts and inform you about some of the changes that have been made and also explain what necessitated those changes. Which acts have been repealed, why, which are the modifications, and what are some of the safeguards that have been built in. I think the first point that we need to understand that the entire gamut of land laws which was existing in Jammu and Kashmir was probably a product of its time, maybe appropriate to the time when it was introduced, but it was essentially meant to serve an old agrarian rural economy. Quite obviously, many of these laws had become outdated, obsolete, and as new laws kept getting added, the system of land laws, when looked at as a whole, suffered from not only redundancy and obsoleteness, but also ambiguities and contradictions. And in many cases, the laws that were in existence were clearly regressive and anti-people. Now, how was this so? Let me give you a few examples.